Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to share pin location in WhatsApp. So for to do that, you have to launch your WhatsApp and tap on the particular person you want to share your pin location with. Then you're going to tap on this plus icon, then tap on location. Then you're going to use this search bar to search the address of the particular place or location you want to share. So I'm going to share, let's say I want to share a particular area. Okay, let's say mall, or should I use ShopRite? Okay, let me use mall. So I'm going to search mall. You can see right here is location, then this is a particular location. You can see Osun Mall, then this is it. You can see this is a pin location. So with this you can share a particular pin location to a friend on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, like and follow for more.